The ProSpot battery-powered lift table is designed for handling heavy components in automotive service and repair environments, including electric vehicle battery packs and drivetrains. Its robust design and powerful lifting capabilities enable technicians to securely raise and lower parts with ease and precision. The lift table is engineered to support up to 3,300 pounds, 1,500 kilograms, and the height can be adjusted from 29.75 inches, 755.5 millimeters, to a full extension of 77 inches, 1,965 millimeters. Operation. Before operating the lift table, carefully read the operating manual and all warning signs. All required personal protective equipment must be worn when operating the lift table. Make sure the lift is charged to use battery power. The lift table moves very similar to a pallet jack. To move the lift table into position, push the lever on the jack handle to the down position and pump the jack handle until the table legs rise off the floor. Once in position under the vehicle, move the jack handle lever to the up position to securely lower the table onto the floor. This step must be performed prior to adding any load to the lift table. Pull the red power switch up to turn on the battery power. Press the up arrow button to raise the platform. The down arrow button lowers the platform. Use the foot pedal to fine-tune the height of the platform. Adjust the contact position between the platform and the vehicle by turning the hand wheels on the side of the platform. The hand wheel towards the back of the lift table near the jack handle will move the rear end of the platform side to side. The hand wheel towards the front of the lift table will move the front end of the platform side to side. There are two leveling adjustments for the platform. The one near the jack handle raises and lowers the front and back of the platform. The one on the side raises and lowers the sides of the platform. You can reference the bubble level near the jack handle end of the lift table to check the final position of the platform. The rear tabletop plate can be extended by loosening the lock knobs and moving the plate into position. Tighten the lock knobs when in position. The front tabletop plate can be adjusted by loosening the lock knobs and turning the adjustment bolt to the left to extend the plate and to the right to retract the plate. Tighten the lock knobs when in position. You are now ready to use the ProSpot battery-powered lift table. For more information or technical support, visit the ProSpot Knowledge Center or scan this QR code.